Okay, now let's test the screen before the separation. So the touch works well. Perfect. So I just want to explain to you guys a little bit. We have already applied the film on it. So this step, this is film. So we have already applied on it. We have used the UV glue. This is the UV glue we have used. So we put a film on it. So this step, we just want to make sure so all the broken tiny pieces, the broken glasses can be gathered together. So we have already done this step. Just let you guys know. Now we're gonna be doing the separation. The temperature is 95. You cut in the middle. Now we're using the cutting wheel to cut off the broken glass. So the cutting wheel we're using is 0.035. So this is the diameter we're using for cutting off the broken glass. Now we're gonna remove the glue on the screen. Okay, now let's clean the screen. I really don't know how to, what else I can explain to you guys. So just watch it. Because we have done so many different videos for different models. I always repeat the same thing. So from one side, from up, from one side to another side, or from up to down, so from left to right. So just make sure you go from one direction to another direction. So this is the key point. So make sure no dust on it. So this is our glass. So if you guys need the glass, you can contact us. Very good quality. This glass is with Oga applied. And now we are gonna do the alignment with hand. We have showed in different videos. Sometimes we're using mode, sometimes we're using hand. So just want to show you guys different ways, different methods we are doing. You can use the hand and also you can use the alignment mode. So it depends on you. Now we put the screen on the lamination mode. So now, okay, now we put inside of the laminator. So the setting 30 degrees, the vacuum time is 30 seconds, and the lamination pressure is 0.2. The holding time is 15 seconds. Okay, now let's test the screen. So touch works well. The lamination, there are some bubbles around the corner, so we're gonna put inside of the bubble remover for 5 minutes. Okay, now let's put inside of the bubble remover for 5 minutes. We recommend you guys to find a bag or box. The bubble bag is better because we don't have a bubble bag here. We're using this bag. 5 minutes, and let's come back to see the result. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take out the screen to see how the screen is. Okay. So let's see this from different angle. Beautiful, right? No bubbles. And the alignment, everything is perfect. Okay, guys. So this is the whole process for iPhone 13. Because we have already tested the screen before we put inside of the bubble remover. We have tested the screen, so now I don't want to test the screen again. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So if you guys need those materials and also the machines, tools that we have used during the video, so please contact us. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave your comments in the comment area. So as soon as we see your comments, we're gonna reply you. And I hope you guys enjoy the video and also benefit from the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.